That's the case also with Cameroon and me. It will always be there, but tomorrow I can't have mercy with them. I want to win the game tomorrow because I'm coach from South Africa now. But it's a special game. I have to say that. That doesn't mean that we are not going to fight for tomorrow. And I was surprised a little bit of that Cameroon team. It changed a lot in when you compare with the team that played the qualifiers for World Cup. And I was a little bit surprised to see them playing because it's a very good team. It's a young team. There are some talented players. There's a good fighting spirit, a good mentality. So that means that tomorrow we have to achieve our best level if we want to beat them.